Hi friends, it's Miss Rossi and we're on part 6 of our book study, If I Built a Car. So today we're going to be looking at some of Newton's laws of motion. So Newton's laws of motion state that all objects are at rest unless acted upon. Number 2, how fast an object goes it is dependent on the amount of force or how hard you push something or pull and the weight of the object. So depending on the weight of the object that you're pushing or pulling is how it's going to move, how fast it's going to move. And then for every action, there is a reaction. So we're going to look into some of these laws as we do our little experiment. So I have my car that I built from our previous lesson. If you didn't see that, you can build a Lego car. Just build it however you want. I have a little handle up here that's keeping my balloon in place, so you'll need something that'll keep your balloon in place. I have lots of Legos. So what you're going to do is you're going to blow up the balloon and then you're going to let it go to see if it rolls. So let's see how we do. Alright, here we go. As you can see, the car was at rest, and when we blew up the balloon and set it down, the air, or the force, pushed it forward. So, Newton's first law, an object was at rest until another force, which was the air, moved it. And then we're going into Newton's second law. The weight of the car versus the amount of air in the balloon depended on how fast and how far the car went. So our car went pretty far. But if you make your car heavier, it's not going to go as far. But if you make your car lighter, it'll go a little bit further. And then for every action, there is a reaction. So we blew up the balloon. That was our action. The reaction was when it deflated, it moved the car. So I want you to have fun with this. Make you a balloon car. Enjoy it. Race them. And have a good time. But remember, Newton's 3 laws of motion. An object stays at rest until it is acted upon. The acceleration, or how fast it goes, depends on the force, or what's pushing it or pulling it, and the weight of the object, how much the car weighs. And then the third law, for every action there is a reaction. So when you blew up the balloon, it deflated and moved the car. Alright friends, I hope you've enjoyed